What's up, guys? How y'all doing? What's up, Selling Squad? Hey, we back here with a fitness video. I'm pumped, amped up, even though I already did a workout. Hit the shoulders today, feeling great. But right here, we're having an arm workout right here. Man, we really blew the arms up this day, me and Xavier. And right here we're doing 21s, 3 sets, 7 low, 7 mid, 7 high. And this is just like a really great old school bodybuilding exercise that guys in the golden era used, and plus people still use it now. But I like it. It's crazy because it like gives me like a really good pump. It's like you constantly keeping tension on the biceps the whole time. It ain't like you're like coming up when you're doing dumbbells, coming up, coming down, and this arm is down here and this one's curling, this one's taking a break. It's like, no, both of them are going to play. They're getting that work in. And y'all got to excuse Xavier for this shirt. Sorry, Xavier, I had to call you out because you from Tennessee. You shouldn't be wearing a brown shirt. They're like the worst team in the league every freaking year. You should be ashamed of yourself. But this tilapia and this rice is the bomb. But guys, oh yeah, I want to explain deloads. Well, I'm probably gonna do a deload week. I want to say maybe like 3 or 4 weeks. And what it is pretty much is instead of me lifting 7 days a week, you know, hitting everything twice, I'm just gonna go to the gym, work out maybe 4 or 5 days a week, hit everything once, and lower my intensity down and lower the weight down a little bit, and that way my body can recover. I'm saying take a little break and I come back stronger, because really guys, when you let your body recover, that's when your muscles like come back stronger. But I'm not saying deload every single week. I'm saying like go 6 to 9 weeks. So like what, month and a half? Yeah, like a little bit over a month and a half or so. Do a deload week. It's good for your body to just like, you know what I'm saying, give your body some time to recover. There's some guys, you know, it take like a month off, you know, but they still stay on their diet and stuff. You probably do cardio still. But here's a side view of me doing 21s, and I noticed, man, like it's really put some mass on my biceps. It really has. But if you noticed anything, my shoulders are very dominant. Like for some reason, they just, I don't know if they're just that good of a 3D effect or anything like that, but like I have dominant shoulders, and then my triceps, look at me dance, I'm crazy. Anyways, my triceps, they're decent size, but I just feel like my shoulders just all around make my arm look bigger. I don't know, maybe that's me. If you guys got your opinion on that, then let me know. Well, here I am, just trying to pump Xavier up, like, you know, let's get this. That's just how I am. Like, if you're gonna work out with me, you gonna work out with me. Like, we're gonna do the same reps. We might not do the same weight, but you're gonna do them reps. And make sure you do every single one of them. You can ask anybody that's worked out with me before. I worked out with a lot of different people. I know some people that's worked out with me before probably gonna watch this, but I don't know why, but a lot of them quit and give up. And I don't like that. I don't like that. Because I wasn't raised being a quitter, so I don't never want none of my friends or anybody that's around me to quit. I want all of us to win, to succeed, everybody to become better. Because, I mean, what are we in this for? Like, we work out to look better. We work out to feel better about ourselves. We work out to be stronger. In general, the main goal is to be better. So that applies for the gym and your nutrition and stuff. So why not freaking make sure you get your meals, tracking your calories, putting in work with your nutrition, so when you go in the gym, you're not just wasting time. That's what happens. That's the reason why a lot of people give up. That applies for the gym and your nutrition and stuff. So why not freaking make sure you get your meals, tracking your calories, putting in work with your nutrition, so when you go in the gym, you're not just wasting time. That's what happens. That's the reason why a lot of people give up, because they don't see the results. That's one of the main reasons why. And they also give up because, you know, certain people at the gym or you know, work, whatever. You know, some people will make anything an excuse to get out of the gym, which that's fine. I don't care. The gym is not life, but it can help your life. It can build your self-confidence, and you're gonna look good, and you're gonna feel good, and you're gonna feel better. You're not gonna get sick because you're constantly running stuff, sweating out the dang toxins in your body and stuff. You're giving your body what it needs. Oh, there you are. Hey, there you are. Hey, okay. Very cracks me up. But yeah, you're giving your body what it needs. You know what I'm saying? So take that in consideration, because around here it's all natural bodybuilding. Yes, and we always want to be healthy, because I don't know about y'all, but I want to be like 65, 70 years old, still hitting the weight room, still hitting the weights. I want to be out benching my grandson or my great grandson, like that type stuff, or teaching them how to lift weights. If things doesn't get too technical about him and too easy, because it's pretty easy now for somebody to get in shape. But if it gets that dang easy, then I might not be able to get to do that. But who knows? Who knows what the future holds? And but back to this. Here we go. Tricep extensions. Your triceps are 2/3 of your arm. Okay. So that means if you want them big juicy arms from the side, you know what I'm saying, like this. This is the tricep. That takes up most of your arm. That's how you get big arms. Now, don't get me wrong, still curl. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your biceps match your triceps. You don't want to have overly huge triceps and very small biceps. But these bad boys right here, that's what you need to be hitting. This right here. And it also helps with your bench press. I know you guys, y'all want to bench so much, but I like bench, but it's not my favorite exercise because I don't really feel it in my chest. I feel like it's more like a power exercise. I feel it in my shoulders. But I ain't never had no girl tell me she didn't want to be with me because I ain't bench 500 pounds. Guys are the ones always asking me how much I bench. But I do want to be able to bench a lot so I can just shut some people up, you know. And plus I like to lift heavy weights sometimes. Like I ego lift every now and then just to see where I'm at, to push myself. Yep. And my camera's about to die. Okay guys, I'm back. As I was saying about the results and stuff, guys, you gotta put a goal in mind in your head. Like, you wanna gain 30 pounds, 20 pounds, or you wanna lose 20 or 30 pounds. Whatever your goal is in mind, whatever you can sit here and think, like, alright, I want my body to be this way, and the weight you wanna be, go after it. That should be enough motivation right there. Because it's a lifestyle. It's something that you have to constantly keep working on. It's like a never ending. What you guys want to do is take a 30-second break between each set. Even guys that are like feel heat, they're super, you know what I'm saying, one after another, get them arms pumped up, baby. Olympia, they're so freaking huge.
Last set, best set.
At their body, like, okay, my bicep gets bigger, more ripped. You know what I'm saying? They always keep improving, no matter what. Even if you have the best body, you gotta think you can lose it just as fast or faster than you gain it. But here we are doing some curls to make you love to be inside the work. Like here, I love them seated cuts too. And what it is, man, like you get a really good stretch. Once you like let your arms just go fully down, all the way up. Here I am talking to the camera and stuff. The reason why I did the video this way is because man, they had all kinds of music on in the gym. I always got copyrighted so damn quick. YouTube would have demonetized your video. Okay, puppy sellers. Sorry y'all, sometimes I'll be when I watch my videos, like when I go back to them and edit them and stuff, I get a little pumped up going back watching it. It's like it's almost like I'm reliving that moment somewhat. So I enjoy it. Damn, this is popular. It's the bomb.com. I didn't learn how to cook for my mom. I learned for myself.
7, 8, 9.
My mama gonna watch this video.
11.
Be like, whatever, but yeah, whatever. I had to learn them all. I sure did. Hey, I sure did. Hey. But yeah, guys, what I really want to do with my channel is I want to break down like nutrition and what protein does to your body, what exercise does to your body. Like, I want every person that I know, or even every subscriber or whoever watches my video, period, I want them to know exactly what to do and when to do it when it comes to fitness. I want them to know what's good for them, what's bad for them. I want to know what's good workouts for them. That's why I'm constantly learning, studying, because y'all not the only ones that gotta keep learning new things in the gym. I'm learning new things each and every day. I'm learning new exercises to give more constant tension on the muscle. It's all just a learning process. You gotta think, even when you're doing your PRs, when you're gonna go for your max on the bench, or if you're gonna go max on your squats, ladies, it's just like, you don't know if you're gonna get the weight, but you do it anyways. And like, I want to get people to be like, you know what I'm saying, use their mind and be like, look, I know I ain't done this weight before, but in your mind, you already done the weight. You know what I'm saying? Like, before you can get to the bar, whatever, picture yourself doing it before you even doing it, and get psyched up and let that motivate you to do it. Guys, I'm about to close out here. I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you give it a like. Make sure you comment some more video ideas to keep me going with this fitness thing, because this is for me and you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Get them meals in, get swole on them. Ladies, get that round juicy peach. I'm sorry if I preached. Deuces.